Look at this butterfly. This is looking awesome. This is a big butterfly. That's at the 4-inch size. I know, you're gonna ask me, how are you gonna get that off of there? That's another part of the whole process of Cricut 101. Look, it's done. Okay, we're gonna push unload mat and let you look at our projects. Isn't that gorgeous? That's a big butterfly. Okay, let me show you how to pull those off. Okay, we want to pull these sections out so you can see the detail. The outer, see these lines in here? Those are the parts that we want to make our butterfly. This is the area that we don't want. Use a straight pin. There are Cricut tools. I just find a straight pin works just fine. When you're pulling on it, note sometimes some of these blades do not cut it completely, so you will need to have an X-Acto knife close by if it sticks. And we'll talk about gum paste a little bit later on. We're just showing you this right now, how to play with this. The nice thing about using the gum paste over a frosting sheet is you got to really know when you're gonna, what you're gonna cut and the size you're gonna cut, or otherwise you're gonna waste that frosting sheet. I don't use frosting sheets. I roll my gum paste out because it's a waste. I don't want to waste. And all you got to do is ball this back up, put a little more shortening to it, and you've got more of what you needed and no waste. Okay, now there's our circle. We're going to take the center part out. Use it to lift. And those are all done with the 4-inch Cricut, 4-inch on the dial. How about that? Now, like I said, this is the regular, the black image on your keypad. Whoop. Hands are a little greasy. So the shadow will put, we roll out some fun and you can see the shadow effect, what it does and puts on the back of this butterfly. Okay, we did our basic butterfly right here. And what you see is that one. And we're going to do it with the shift key for the background. Okay, so we don't want to change our dial. We want to leave it at the 4, because if you change your dial, it's not going to fit behind the back of this butterfly topper. All right, so we're going to do the shift, plain base. There's our butterfly, plain base, right there. See how it says plain base? Matches what it says. And then we're going to push the butterfly. Same key, but it'll do the uppercase. Butterfly 2. All right, we're loaded. Going to move it in a little bit, just because I'm missing a little bit of fondant in the corner over there. And we're going to push cut. This won't be as many cuts. Those are the antennae for the butterfly. And with the plain base, we're not going to get the center things. We're just getting solid. So it's just a matter of playing with it. Now I want to show you this one. We're going to turn that off. We're going to push shift and we're going to push the butterfly again and let you see what happens now. Characters won't fit. See how the machine's telling you the characters won't fit? Because this is 12-inch. So what we're going to do is we're going to unload the mat. You can see how big this butterfly is. Now this is a good question for you. You thought the butterfly was 4 inches. Which direction? It's obviously 6 inches this way. The 4 inches is this direction. Not side to side, but up and down. This is something you have to consider when you play with these cartridges, what size your image is going to be for the cartridge. Okay? So I want to rotate this around and see what we can do with it and show you, even though it's going to be the wrong size, we're going to do a smaller butterfly on butterfly 2 so you can see those cutouts. I'm going to bring this over to it. Bring the dial size down, 2.5. Shift, butterfly. When you screw up, your backspace is your repair. Okay, so shift, butterfly. We only want to see it once up here. If it's 2, it's going to cut 2 times. So we've got 1 butterfly, 2.5 inches, cut. It's much smaller. We're doing this diagram.